Well, I've changed the particle physics, Alicia, a subatomic way, so there's air conditioning basically all through it, even without terraforming, like the bell over it, naturally forming planets. So you do have summer, winter, spring, autumn, somehow, the full season thing, like even on the rift of the honey street, it's like that. But it's an air conditioned comfort. So Daisy, on your Yates, it says where flowers and blossoms, an air conditioned comfort planet that's all year round. It's like a season we have there. Always. Even in the desert, where it's really sunny, but still somehow air conditioned. You won't believe that. That's enough no fake news. The amount of fake news going around, it's just ridiculous, even causing fights. I don't think we'll ever have amongst the six of us. And an uncle, boy reference family 4 and 2, all the way through us at least. One. So at least even encountering a boy is possible. Probably. That's spoken.